Hi, it's Samantha from Vectornator, and welcome to a new video. You've probably asked yourself, what's the deal with all these aspect ratios? And which one should you use in your design? This video tutorial will explain everything you need to know. In design, every canvas, image, or graphic has its own shape. Usually, that shape is a rectangle, but the dimensions of that rectangle can vary a lot. In simple terms, an object's aspect ratio is the same thing as its dimension. More technically, aspect ratio is the proportional relationship between an object's width and height. This video's aspect ratio is 16:9, where 16 represents the width and 9 represents the height. A square image has an aspect ratio of 1:1, since the height and width are the same. But the image could be 500 pixels by 500 pixels, or 1500 pixels by 1500 pixels, and the aspect ratio would still be 1:1. What are other common aspect ratios? 3:2 is the standard aspect ratio for photography, and 9:16 is the vertical format we view on our phone. It's a perfect 90-degree flip of the 16:9 ratio. So each medium has its own unique aspect ratio. This also applies to all channels, including social media, web, and print. Social media image size guidelines, for example, seem to change constantly. You'll really need to master aspect ratio in order to deliver your content to your audience in the correct way. You can manipulate your object's aspect ratio by cropping, which you can easily do in Vectornator by using masks. So, how does aspect ratio impact your design? Sometimes you'll be able to change the aspect ratio of your object to make the picture work without compromising the subject. But sometimes that won't be possible. It's crucial that the subject is fully included in your images, no matter the aspect ratio. So if you have a blog header and a blog thumbnail, both of these graphics need to make sense in their particular aspect ratios. To save you time, we've created some handy aspect ratio templates that you can use for all major mediums and channels. So don't wait. Start creating with Vectornator now. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more design tips and information like this, subscribe to the Vectornator channel, or click another video to keep watching.